Today, I'll walk you through how to export Snapchat memories, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save your cherished memories from Snapchat so you can keep them forever. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app on your device. This is where all your fun moments are stored, and we want to make sure we can access them easily. Once you're in the app, click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings and memories. Next, tap on the gear settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. This is your gateway to all the settings you need to adjust for exporting your memories. Now scroll down and look for the section labeled App and Privacy. It's important to navigate to this area to ensure your privacy settings are in order before exporting your memories. Once you find it, tap on My Privacy and Data. This section contains all the options related to your data, including your memories. Next, tap on My Data. Here, you'll be able to request a download of your memories. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps should be similar across devices. Now find the option that says Export Your Memories. This is the key step to accessing your saved memories. After that, tap on Request Only Memories. This option allows you to specify which memories you want to export. You'll then need to give it a time frame for when you want to download your memories. If you want everything, simply select All Time. This ensures that all your cherished snaps are included in the export. Next, make sure you have the correct email address entered. This is where your memories will be sent, so double-check for any typos. Finally, select Submit. This will send your request to Snapchat, and you'll receive an email with a link to download your memories shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to export Snapchat memories. Remember, this process is a great way to preserve your favorite moments captured on the app. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.